Don't wake up with the regret of what you couldn't accomplish yesterday. Wake up with thinking of what you will be able to achieve today. A happy morning to all. I am Asha Das of class ninth. I am here to lead today's assembly on the topic optimism. Optimism is the strategy for making a better future. Because unless you believe that your future can be better, you are unlikely to step up and take responsibilities for making it so. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. When you pray, God listens. When you listen, God talks. And when you believe, God works. Prayer is the link that connects us with God. So now let us all connect with Almighty and start our assembly with a prayer by Mahima.
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे. School prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the knowledge is free. Where the word has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where the word come out from the depth of truth. Where the stylus striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into dreary deserts and of dead habits. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my father led my country away. உலமெல்லாம் உன் ஒளி படர, ஊரெல்லாம் உன் புகழ் பாட, பாரெங்கும் உன் மக்கள் நல்வாழ்வு மலர, நாங்கள் வைத்திருக்கிறோம் நற்பெண் பாடி. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Pooja. I am here to talk about optimism. What does optimism mean? It actually means that you are what you believe you are. Optimism is a tendency to believe and expect that things will turn out well. Optimism is hope, courage, and happiness. It is a feeling, yet an action which cannot be explained. Optimism is essential for achievement, and it is the foundation of courage and true progress. Optimists believe that their action results in positive things happening, that they are responsible for their own happiness. So, always be optimistic. Now, here are my friends to share their views about optimism. Thank you.
வணக்கம். என் பெயர் பிரார்த்தனா. நம்பிக்கை இது இல்லாமல் வாழ்க்கையில் முன்னேறுவது அரிது. ஆத்திகனுக்கு கடவுள் நம்பிக்கை, நாத்திகனுக்கு நம்பிக்கையே கடவுள். அவ்வளவுதான் வித்தியாசம். ஆனால் நம்பிக்கை இல்லாத விஷயம் இல்லை என்பதுதான் உண்மை. நாம் ஒரு செயலை செய்ய ஆரம்பிக்கும் பொழுதே பயமும் நம்மை பற்றிக் கொள்கிறது. இது இயற்கையின் நியதி. நம் செயலின் வெற்றியை தீர்மானிக்கும் திறன் நாம் வைக்கும் நம்பிக்கையில் தான் உள்ளது. இந்த உண்மையை புரிந்து கொள்வது மிக மிக அவசியம். 100 ஆற்றல் மிக்க இளைஞர்களை தாருங்கள், இந்தியாவையே மாற்றி காட்டுகிறேன் என்று விவேகானந்தர் சவால் விட்டு கூறினார் என்றால் ஏன் தெரியுமா? 2 விஷயங்கள். 1, இந்தியாவை மாற்ற முடியும் என்ற நம்பிக்கை. 2, இளைஞர்களின் மீது அவருக்கு இருந்த நம்பிக்கை. நாட்டிற்கும் சரி, வீட்டிற்கும் சரி, நம்பிக்கை மிக மிக அவசியம். முடியாது என்று மூட நம்பிக்கை கொண்டவர்களுக்கு வாழ்க்கை என்று பாலைவனம் தான், முடியும் என்பதை மூலதனமாக்கி கொண்டவர்களுக்கு வாழ்க்கை என்று சோலைவனம் தான். எனவே நம்பிக்கை கொடுங்கள். நன்றி.
வணக்கம். திருக்குறளும் அதன் விளக்கமும். பிரிவு அறத்துப்பால். அதிகாரம் 1. கடவுள் வாழ்வு. குறள் எண் 3. மலர்மிசை எய்தினார் மானடி சேர்ந்தார் இளமிசை நீடு வாழ்வார். பொருள்: உயிர்களில் உள்ள தாமரை மலரில் வீற்றிருக்கும் இறைவனின் திருவடியை நினைத்திருப்பவர் இவ்வுலகில் நீண்ட காலம் வாழ்வர். English meaning: they who are connected to the glorious feet of him who passes swiftly over the flaws of the mind shall flourish long above all worlds. Nandri.
Good morning. I am Shruti to share a few words on a very important personality who was a strong optimist, from whom we can all draw an inspiration to live life optimistically. Born on October 15, 1931, APJ Abdul Kalam, an optimist, a man full of life, believed that every problem and difficulty gives us the opportunity to grow. Kalam instilled his thoughts and his ideas in us to build our life in a better way. From a small boatman's family in Rameshwaram to the President of India, former President APJ Abdul Kalam achieved a lot and set new standards in Indian defense and space research. But not many are aware that he was not only a scientist, but also a good administrator, manager, and a humble person. Most people think Kalam always succeeded and had never failed, but that's not the truth. In fact, his first project was a failure, but that did not deter him from thinking positive and keeping trying to his goal. His key to success was analyzing, planning, reviewing, and monitoring. Kalam was a die-hard optimist. He inspired us to dream until our dream come true and never stop working towards our dream. Don't be discouraged by difficulties, but always think positive. Keep persistence on hard work and work with a passion, because sensitivity is not a weakness but a vision. Remember, strength only respects strength. Strength shows not only the ability to persist, but also the ability to start over. Life has sometimes a set of difficulties, but we have the power over our mind which does not have the outside event. Realize your power and your strength will be discovered. So let us all draw our inspiration from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to begin our journey towards enlightenment. Maybe he was born in a grassroots family, but grew up with a divine fire inside him. Like him, all of us carry a great potential within us. So our effort should be to give wings to the fire in us and keep the world with the glow of its goodness. Thank you, and go ahead optimistically.
Thank you, my dear friends, for your wonderful words. No pessimist ever discovered the secret of stars or sailed to an uncharted land or opened a new heaven to the human spirit. So look for good things, find optimism, be an optimistic person. We thank our esteemed correspondent sir and our beloved principal madam for giving us this wonderful opportunity. We wind up our assembly with a closing prayer. लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु